Hey friends, today we have a beautiful supercar and very well-maintained Audi R8 with a V10 engine here. The customer wants his car to look even better, so I will foam wash the R8 and thoroughly clean every detail. Then we will polish the paint and carbon parts to remove all scratches. As always, I will show you a before and after comparison. Finally, I will protect the entire car with a ceramic coating. You have to see the extreme gloss after this. We have to realize one thing. This is one of the last V10 engines. I'm glad that this rare dream car belongs to a customer who cares about it. Join me on a step-by-step journey through the preparation process. I hope you can learn something new. Let's get started and dive right in by focusing on the wheels. The car is very well maintained, but you should never skip the pre-cleaning. Even a little dirt would be enough to scratch the paint. That's why I use a pre-cleaner and spray it all over the car. Afterward, I thoroughly rinse off the dirt. I can then wash the paint with a wash mitt without risking deep scratches. For the large parts, I like to use a microfiber wash mop. It's much more comfortable, and it's also healthier for my back. I've been washing cars every day for 12 years now, so I just have to find solutions to keep it going for you. By the way, the wash mop is perfect for SUVs, so you don't need a ladder. Then I clean all the remaining parts with a wash mitt. I use a brush for the details such as the grille or the door frames. The car is now perfectly prepared for polishing. I always start with a before and after test. I try out different polishes and pads to see which combination can correct the most scratches and create the deepest shine. The Audi now has no more scratches, and the paint looks like new. Now everything has to be protected with a ceramic coating. This ensures an even deeper shine. The coating is also dirt repellent, so the car stays clean for longer. In addition, the dirt no longer sticks so firmly to the paint, so insects, for example, can be removed very easily. The Audi R8 is ready, friends. Let's enjoy the result. I will show you a few before and after scenes so you can see the difference. The paint, windows, and even the tailpipes. Every detail is clean, shiny, and protected. I will leave the car in the garage overnight. The customer will come pick it up tomorrow morning. I'm really looking forward to his reaction. I detailed a extreme dirty BMW M3. The customer lives in the country and has to drive on dirt roads. After washing and polishing, the BMW was a completely different car. You have to watch the video. See you there, guys.